Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to set up a flight for your campaign. In this easy example, let's say we have a grocery store in El Paso, Texas. They want to advertise some discounted products. They want the ads to run between 5 and 7 p.m. and they have two language groups in their target audience. There are English-speaking users and Spanish-speaking users. I have already created my ads, so I will now start setting up the flight with all its rules and conditions. For that, I will click on the flight button here at the top and start setting up the rules. Now, first, we'll need to think whether there are conditions that apply to all cases, to all users. In this example, we know that the users will be served the ads in El Paso and within the same time range, no matter the language. So we can start with these two and group them together, as both of these rules need to be true in order for the ads to be shown. Let's start with location and type in El Paso. I will add the second rule clicking on and, as I need both the location and time range to be true, so to say. I will select time range and set it to be between 5 and 7 p.m. Make sure you also have the correct time zone. All right, and now as to the languages, we will create a nested condition, an inner rule group within the same block. We will choose language from the menu here and start with the English version and drag the English creative here from the right hand side creative library. And now for Spanish, we will create a new condition group within that same block. And here the language will be Spanish. I will drag my Spanish creative here. And we are all set. You will notice that there is or between English and Spanish. It means that if the location and time range are as I have set them here, and the language is English or the language is Spanish, then the following creatives will be shown. If you'd like, you can also preview your flight by clicking on the quick overview button here at the top. You'll see two sets here: location, time range, language English, the location, time range, and language Spanish. And now the final step is to click on the export button here at the top to export your tags. Thanks for watching.